Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna be doing my edges tutorial for this curly edges look. Today's video is in collaboration with Hurela hair. This is their box. This is their 26-inch wig. It is very long, so I'm gonna show you guys how I did the edges on this wig today. And yeah, this is the edges tutorial. It's very detailed. I'm talking through it for you guys, so it's gonna be easy for you to follow along.
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now, diamonds.
When you take out the edges, make sure that you go in and pluck it a little bit so it's not so thick. Just don't pluck it too much because you don't want it to be bald, but
I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now, diamonds, brilliant and Belen now. Hot summer nights, mid-July, when you and I were forever one. Those crazy days, city lights, the way you'd play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now, diamonds, brilliant and Belen now. Hot summer nights, mid-July, when you and I were forever one. Those crazy days, city lights, the way you'd play with me like a child. Will you still love me when I'm no longer young and beautiful? Will you still love me when I've seen the world, done it all, had my cake now, diamonds, brilliant and Belen now. Hot summer nights, mid-July, when you and I were forever one. Those crazy days, city lights, the way you'd play with me.
okay, thank you guys so much for checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful. Let me know if you enjoyed this tutorial and did it help you get a better understanding on how to do the curly edges method. Yeah, don't forget to visit Hurela hair. It's not giving me no shedding at the moment, but keep in mind I'm just installing it. I've not been wearing it for that long to give you like a true review on it, but this is how it's looking. The lace on it is so beautiful.